Friends in Beauty, a place for beauty industry creatives looking to create impact, influence, and longevity. I'm your best friend in beauty, Akua Robinson, and in today's video, I want to give you some tips on how to be confident on camera. Now, I know a lot of my friends in beauty do not want to do video content at all. You have been shying away from doing video content, but to be honest, video content is one of the best ways to market your business nowadays. It just holds people's attention a lot longer, and they've created so many different ways for us to get in front of people on video. We got Instagram Lives, we still got YouTube going on, we got Instagram Stories, Reels, we got the TikToks, all of these things out here. So if you are not creating video content in some kind of form, then you are definitely missing out on a lot. And I know that creating video content could be kind of scary. It's kind of weird. This is not normal by any means. Sitting here talking to a camera with lights set up and all of that is not normal, but it is necessary and it can make an impact in your business. So I want to give you some tips on how to be confident on camera, because I know that's probably a lot of the reasons why you don't want to do it, is because you don't know what to say, how to act, the confidence is not there. So that's why your best friend in beauty is here to deliver. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first tip that I want to give for being confident on camera is to have realistic expectations. If you've never done video content before, don't expect that when you start out you're just going to be amazing and you're going to feel totally comfortable. Everything is going to be looking good. You're going to be confident and everything. Have realistic expectations for yourself. I know when I first started doing video content, I was nervous as I don't know what, and I'm pretty sure that it showed on video. I wasn't expecting that I was going to be like a pro right away, but I just had to get out there and do it. And I'm also not somebody that is afraid to be on video. It was just kind of weird to me, like talking to myself. Look at me talking to myself right now anyway. But just have realistic expectations for yourself and don't compare yourself to other people who have been doing this for a while. For me, I kind of had a little bit of, I don't want to say training with being, just talking in general. I did take like public speaking classes in school and had to do stand-up presentations for classes and stuff like that. So I'm not necessarily nervous to talk on camera or in front of people, but I know everybody is not the same. But have some realistic expectations for yourself and just start from there. The second tip that I want to give is to warm up. So especially if you've never done this before, even if you are a seasoned pro in front of the camera, even myself, I like to warm up before I just go ahead and start recording. So even when I'm doing these YouTube videos like this, I'll set my camera up, and a lot of the first maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half of the time is me just talking to the camera, stumbling over my words and trying to get my intro right. You have no idea how many times I just did the intro for this video, okay? But when you edit it, it all looks good. So that's why I say have realistic expectations. It is video, so you can edit it to make it look smooth and professional the way that you want. But definitely warm up in front of the camera. So set the camera up, just talk the way that you would normally talk in front of the camera. I'm looking directly into my lens. That's another thing. So even though I do have a screen on the side where I can see myself, I do try to do a very good job of speaking directly to the lens. And you can look off every now and then, but just spend some time just warming up your vocals, getting used to what you're going to say, getting comfortable in front of the camera. And then once you feel good, then you can move on from there. So the third tip that I want to give is to smile. That is my third tip for looking confident on camera. So when you smile, that nervous look automatically goes away on your face. And if you're not like me, who I just like naturally smile anyway, like it's like a gift and a curse. I naturally smile when I talk, but it makes me look friendly. It makes me look approachable. I don't appear to be nervous. So if you put a smile on your face every now and then while you are talking, then you look confident on camera. So the fourth tip that I want to give is that you have to bring your energy up a little bit more when you're on camera. So naturally, I'm a very laid back person. I'm very chill. I talk very low as well, so I have to project a little bit when I'm on camera. Even though I have a mic, I do have to project my voice, and I do have to just give off a little bit more energy, because if I were to be on camera the way I am naturally, unless I'm very excited about something, like around my friends or something, I am like very, very laid back and chill. So when I'm on camera, I have to, I have to use my hands a little bit more. I have to bring my energy up a little bit more so that I don't appear to be boring. So that's another tip. Bring your energy up just, a few percentages, on camera, so that it could read that way and it could read energetic on camera. My fifth tip for being confident on camera is to be prepared. So if you are confident in the message that you are delivering and you have your notes ready, you have an outline for, whatever speaking points that you want to talk about, that would definitely help you to appear more confident on camera, because you'll feel confident in yourself that you know exactly what you're here to talk about. So usually before I do any kind of video content, I do create some kind of outline for myself. I don't necessarily create a script, because when I create a script, I notice that I sound very robotic and it's just too perfect and it's too well thought out. So normally what I do is I just create a outline of the speaking points that I want to hit on, so that I have an idea of what's up next, what I want to talk about, and then I just go from there. But make sure you are prepared, because when you are prepared, you are confident, and when you are confident, it's going to show on camera. So my sixth tip for being confident on camera is a no-brainer. You want to look good. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you come off confident. And that is whatever that is for you. So for me, when I appear on camera, I do like to be makeup ready. I like to be camera ready. For you, you might not want to wear makeup. Whatever it is that makes you look good and makes you feel good, show up that way on camera. Because when you look good on camera, you're going to, project that to your audience. So make sure that you do some grooming, do your makeup, do your hair, your nails, whatever you have to do. Put on a nice shirt, put on some, bottoms. Nobody can see them anyway, but whatever you have to do, if you have to get dressed from head to toe in order to, look good, to, appear that way on camera, do what you have to do. For me, it's just doing my makeup, making sure my hair is, laying down flat, and then I have a nice blouse on and everything, and good lighting. And that makes me feel good about the message that I'm delivering, and it's going to make me look confident on camera. So my seventh tip for how to be confident on camera is to practice. No one is expecting you to appear like an expert right out the bat, but in order to get better, you have to practice. So even if you just set up your camera and just record yourself while you're doing something leisurely around the house, or cleaning, if you're a makeup artist, like cleaning your brushes and talking through, cleaning your brushes, actually record some videos that is never going to see the light of day. I was about to say that nobody's ever going to see, but that are never going to see the light of day, just so you can get confident with, talking to the camera, being on camera. You have to practice. Even if you do selfie videos, just, hold your phone up and, talk directly into, the camera in your phone. You could try that as well, but you have to practice, okay? You're not going to get any better if you don't practice. The eighth tip that I want to give for being confident on camera is to act like you're talking to a friend. That's what I do a lot of the times, especially when it comes down to YouTube, or recording specific content, video content for my Instagram page. I pretend that I'm talking to one person in particular. So if you have a good friend that you're, used to conversing with, or if you think about somebody that's a part of your audience that you see, comments on your post a lot of the times, you can act like you are talking directly to that person and talk the way that you normally talk, of course. But when you're acting like you're talking to one person, or you're talking to a friend, it just comes off more natural. It just comes off more natural, and you come off like you're more comfortable with the conversation or the information that you're giving. So pretend like you're talking to a friend. You can pretend like you're talking to me. So the last tip that I want to give for how to be confident on camera is to just do it. Stop overthinking it, because I'm an overthinker, so I know you're an overthinker too sometimes. Stop overthinking it. Create that video content for your audience. Go live, do a reel, do an Instagram story, whatever you have to do. All of these things are here for us to, market our business, so why not do it? And a lot of times, once you, especially when it comes to doing Instagram live, a lot of the times when you do it the first time, you're so in your head about, talking to yourself. You feel like you're talking to yourself or whatever, but once you get over it and you actually do it, it's so much fun, and all of the feedback that you get, you're going to want to do it again. So you just have to get over that initial hump, all of that overthinking and overanalyzing, and just do it. All right, that's the only way that you're going to get better. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you found these tips helpful and that it inspires you to go out here and start to create some video content. It's really not as bad as it seems, I promise you. So just go ahead and get started today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you want to see other videos like this. Make sure to subscribe to Friends in Beauty here on YouTube if you have not already, and share this video with another friend in beauty or a friend or family member who would enjoy content like this. Also, if you are a friend in beauty, make sure you click the link down in the description as well to join the Friends of Beauty Facebook community. We're just a community of ambitious, like-minded individuals, like-minded creators who just want to virtually connect, network, and share resources. Also, follow myself and Friends of Beauty on all social media platforms. My personal page is Akua Robinson, and you can follow Friends of Beauty as well. Be sure to tune into the Friends of Beauty podcast every Wednesday, and just stay connected, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.